Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at the today's sales offline. That is how to check the sales you have made for the day offline. Okay, so once you are recording offline, when you see this, it means that our interface is offline. Okay, so then if you have made any sales for the day, if you have sold today, you click on today's sales and then it opens another window for you, and then in that window you are able to see the records of all the sales you have made during the day. Now on our left, okay, you see some statistics displayed. You're able to see the total sales for the day, the quantity sold, the discounts given, and then the payments are also broken down for you as well. So then there's a cash payments, there's the Momo payment, there's card payment, there's bank deposit. Okay, so based on the payment method that you choose, you can reference that. Then there's a search transaction over here. If a customer returns an item, you are able to search for the transaction ID, and then you are able to act on it. Okay, so that is that. Then there's a table here. The transaction ID is displayed, the channel, the products that was sold, you see the unit price and then the quantity and then their total and every other detail. Okay, so once we are done, you want to sync your transactions online. Now you can do this when the store is a bit relaxed, and then you need internet connection for this. So what syncing transactions means here is that the system is going to update on your online server. So then this record is saved on your computer, and we have looked at the issues that may arise if you have your information on your computer. So once you have recorded offline, you can sync your transactions back. So let's click on sync transactions. Okay, then it tells us that all transactions have been synced successfully. So you can now see them from your online sales record. Now any record that you make offline, you are not able to access it online, and then you're not able to enjoy the remote access. That is the function, the value where you are able to see your transactions from anywhere you are, if your transactions are not synced online. So once you click to sync your transactions online, then now you can be able to check your sales records online. Okay, and then have your data stored online. Okay, so this is all for today's sales offline. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of these amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them out. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time, and bye bye.